Hey friends! Today we are going to Lake Las Vegas and we are taking you along so you can see all the cool activities that there's to do out here. One of the reasons we like coming to Lake Las Vegas so much is because it feels like you're getting out of Vegas. There's this Italian vibe here and that's really nice. And also if you want to beat the Vegas crowds, then I definitely suggest this place. We come during the week and there's like nobody here, which is really nice because we don't really like crowds. So we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Let's go!
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's
a beautiful man-made lake surrounded by fancy estates. You can buy a nice house or condo out here with an amazing view or stay for a weekend at a nice hotel.
But if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because
and I wouldn't say it's too quiet. There's concerts and events that happen throughout the year, lively restaurants with delicious food to enjoy. We used to be able to have picnics, but I guess that changed after lockdown. So we started the day with brunch at a very cute cafe. Mrs. Coco's, very pink and whimsical. Where coffee comes with a cotton candy cloud and a positive message. And milkshakes are served in a bathtub. I mean, this place is fun and we enjoyed the food. I would for sure come back with some girlfriends instead. So Lake Las Vegas is also known for their water activities. Here you can rent boats, paddle boards, kayaks, and there's other various activities. My absolute favorite is the Aqua Park because I'm clearly a 10-year-old child, but why not feel like a kid once again? There's no age limit on this thing. Even Massimo's friend decided to join us. Lastly, it was time to walk our happy, worn-out booties over to Bella Linda's for some gelato.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
And we concluded our Lake Las Vegas day with some gelato on the patio. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.
Together, if I could stop the time.